We are a long-term care facility located in Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. We were in a situation with our phone system that was aging and was at the end of life. Dagostino came on board with us and offered several solutions and options, and they were very sensitive to how things needed to work. Our phone system encompasses 2 campuses, and both systems had to work together. We had to be able to 4-digit dial each other across campuses, and of course it had to be user-friendly for everyone. Residents, staff, volunteers, visitors. We pretty much had to tear out what we were using and reinstall new technologies, and that was all at Dagostino's leading the project. Dagostino did provide training and education along the way and at the end of the project and ongoing. We've had a camera system at Providence Point installed when the campus was built back in 2009. It too, like the phone system, came to end of life, and we were having just a lot of problems with it, and it just needed to go. We immediately went to Dagostino at my request because of our relationship with the phone system, and this is certainly within their wheelhouse of products and services. Once again, they followed the same format of assessing what is needed, what do you have now, and where do you want to go. They focused on and educated us, as with the phone system, educated us on what types of cameras needed to be where, because we didn't know. So a lot of that had to do with quality of product, cost, and those factors as far as what cameras you needed. There's a benefit in a one-stop shop and trusting that relationship. And we really zeroed in on Dagostino because they answered our questions. They were very knowledgeable. There wasn't any situation we threw at them that they didn't know how to handle or haven't already handled. Their reputation spoke volumes to us. I would recommend Dagostino for any large project, and I'm certain small projects they would be able to handle just as well, but we've not had any small projects, just large ones. So I would recommend them for that reason, the ease of use and their accessibility.